CJBS is kind of I describe it as a family-owned company, effectively, as an accounting firm. Several of the ways we've grown over the years is through acquisitions and mergers. The benefit of that is we've become a melting pot of different industries. One of those industries that we've been able to develop is in the manufacturing area. Our structure for servicing our manufacturing clients is partner involvement, key manager level, and a strong staff that isn't out there for the first time getting their feet in the water for the first time. They understand what the process is, and we try to avoid the rookie process as to what goes on. There is definitely going to be key contact with both the manager and the partner on any project that goes on, especially in our manufacturing group. Manufacturing companies need, they've been battling since the turn of the century, trying to deal with what's going on with the different downsizing and everything else, things going offshore and everything else. They've been able to battle a little better this last time around. The manufacturing group within the CJBS has been able to battle a little better. They understood what it took to downsize. We were a consulting arm for those companies immediately when the downturn started happening in 07 and 08. And most of those companies, as opposed to dealing with bottom lines that were shrinking, they were able to shrink their expenses and keep the bottom line strong and be able to have good relationships with their banks, where most of our larger manufacturing clients, as opposed to being under pressure from the banks, have been able to have expanded borrowing during a time where banks are not expanding the borrowing power. That's a credit to the clientele that we have, and I think it's a credit to CJBS and how we support them.